Miggy, are you ready?
Papa.
Look at me. You will read this one and you give me the color.
Green!
Where's the color green? You give me the color green.
Ito!
This one? Wait, very good. How about this one? This one.
Pink!
Pink? Give me the color pink. Where's the color pink?
Ito!
This one?
Apa.
Very good. How about this one? You read first. You read.
Yellow!
Where's the color yellow?
Ito!
Yeah, very good. How about this one? You read first.
Purple!
Purple. Okay, give me the purple.
Ito!
This one. Oh, very good.
Mommy did,
What's that?
pang-pang.
SpongeBob. This one, what color is this? You read.
Red!
Red. Okay. Where's the color red? You give me the color red.
Ito!
This one?
Aba!
Oh, very good. How about this one? You read first.
Blue!
Blue. Give me the color blue. May I see? Wow, very good. How about this one? You read first.
Black!
Black. Give me the color black. Where's the color black? You find the color black. Hmm? Where's the black? Walang black eh. Wala tayong black. Okay, next na lang. Next, wala tayong black dyan. This one you read first.
Orange!
Orange. Where's the color orange?
Ito. Hawak.
Orange. How about this one? You read first. You read. Read first. Sige, go.
Siguro kasi ang dami namin mga OFW na tulad ko na walang masyadong alam kaya ganyan relate sila. Siyempre hindi naman mangyayari pa kung hindi din sa'yo, no? Ang laki-laki talaga ng tulong mo at lalo na sa pamilya ko, ma. Thank you so much po talaga. Ngayon nasabi ko talaga na Japan. Punta kayo na naman, di ba? Dito rin na lang yung ginagawa ko. Chat. Malayo malalabi mo. At dahil dyan,
Yeah!